we are having a dining area. Right hand side we have a kitchen. So let's go and have a look at the master bedroom. Wow. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Sakshi and today we are at Good Life Home by Baya Company in Dadar East for sample flat tour. So before moving to the video, let us know what is Housey. Well, Housey is India's first real estate platforms that connects home buyer directly with the developer, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby doing an inquiry, your number is circulated to multiple brokers, resulting in multiple calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So, book your dream house through developer from Housey. So, let's talk about the project overview. Baya High Life Homes by Baya Company consists of 1.5 acres of land parcel, which is G plus 38 story, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and Jodi as well as available. So let's talk about the project overview where we will be talking about the connectivity. So Baya High Life Homes is located in Dadar East, giving you a connectivity from Dadar station which is hardly 5 minutes, monorail station which is 2 minutes and Eastern Express Highway just in 2 minutes. So today we are going to do a sample flat tour of 1 BHK and 2 BHK. So now we are standing outside the 1 BHK apartment of 480 carpet area. Let's have a look. So entering, we are having a dining area. Moving forward, we have a hall. Very good part about this is we have a balcony. This comes with the styling. Moving forward, we have left inside washroom. So builder is giving you an anti-skate tiles with all the fittings. So moving forward, on the right hand side we have a kitchen which comes along with these 2 cabinets. Now let's go to our master bedroom, but before that let us know what Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tour, we give you actual location tour, we give you 360-degree project overview, pros and cons of the project, why you should invest in them or not. We give you all-inclusive pricing including EMI and down payment. So let's go and have a look at the master bedroom. Wow, this has a king size bed, comes along with side table as well. You will be getting a wardrobe space as well as, and on the right hand side you will be getting a master washroom, anti-skid tiles and fitting you will be getting. So guys, this was 1 BHK sample flat video. Let us know if you have any query related to the project, e-brochure and the booking process in the comment below. Till then, bye bye. So everyone, this was the 1 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project High Life Homes located in Dadar East, Mumbai by the Baya Company.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.